through the energetic maze to this place. You are now but a few steps away from happiness. In a moment, you will experience how nature embraces your inner being. Treasure that moment.
Ride number 10 in Ride to Happiness today. This time with horizon lock again. Just for fun to see how it looks.
And it's a great light.
Yeah, it's a great sun. We're gonna do it at least one more time today without horizon lock. Just to see how it looks. It's fast in the afternoon. Wow. Flip is that element, if you want to know.
Never too many.
Wow! Oh, I never get tired of this. Wow! Oh yeah! Ah, that's just a fantastic roller coaster. Wow!